Welcome to my exciting journey to Mount Misen, a breathtaking destination steeped in beauty and history. In this video, I'll take you through the enchanting landscapes of Miyajima Island, where our adventure begins at the lively Miyajima Guchi Station. Get ready to experience the local delights, including the famous Anago Meshi, a must-try dish that captures the essence of the island's culinary heritage. As we board the ferry and set sail across the shimmering waters of the Seto Inland Sea, the majestic silhouette of Mount Misen will rise before us, beckoning us to explore its heights. This mountain, standing at an impressive 535 meters, not only boasts stunning views, but also serve as a spiritual sanctuary, revered in both Shinto and Buddhist traditions. We'll traverse the vibrant Momiji Dani Trail, where cherry blossoms paint the landscape and the sounds of nature accompany our ascent. Along the way, we'll encounter serene ponds, playful deer, and the rich flora and fauna that makes this region a natural monument. I'll share moments of reflection at the sacred Reikakudo Temple, where the eternal flame symbolizes hope and healing, connecting us to the centuries of spiritual devotion. Finally, we'll reach the summit of Mount Misen, where the panoramic vistas of the Seto Inland Sea will leave us in awe. As we soak in this breathtaking beauty, I'll share my thoughts on the journey and what it means to connect with nature and history in this sacred space. Join me as we embrace the challenges and rewards of this hike, culminating in a lunch at the peak that celebrates the local flavors and adventure itself. So lace up your hiking boots and prepare for an unforgettable experience. Let's discover the beauty and history of Mount Misen together. To embark on my exciting adventure, I boarded the train bound for Miyajima Guchi Station, the gateway to the enchanting island of Miyajima. Just a short stroll from the station lies Ueno Store, a local gem renowned for its delectable anago meshi, a dish that has become a rite of passage for everyone visiting the island. The Ueno Store is a bustling hub that attracts both locals and tourists daily, and today was no exception. The star of the menu, Anago Meshi, features succulent grilled eel served over steaming rice, drizzled with a savory sauce that elevates the flavors to a new heights. It is a local delicacy I simply couldn't resist, so I ordered my portion to go, knowing I would savor it later at the summit. As I made my way towards the ferry terminal, I passed by a striking statue of Taira no Kiyomori, a historical figure whose legacy is deeply intertwined with the island's rich past. Mount Misen, the island's highest peak, not only serves as a breathtaking hiking destination but also stands as a spiritual sanctuary, revered in both Shinto and Buddhist traditions. With my Anago Meshi packed and my spirit high, I boarded the ferry, excited to set sail towards the majestic Mount Misen. As the boat glided smoothly across the shimmering waters of the Seto Inland Sea, I marveled at the mountain's grandeur rising majestically in the distance. Standing at an impressive height of 535 meters, Mount Misen dominates the landscape, offering stunning views for those willing to reach its summit. There are two main ways to ascend the mountain. The ropeway, which provide a leisure ride with breathtaking views, and the hiking trail, perfect for those seeking a more invigorating challenge. If you opt for the ropeway, be sure to make a reservation in advance, especially during peak seasons when demand is high. Geologically, Mount Misen is a non-volcanic mountain that was shaped over millions of years, featuring a distinctive landscape that supports a rich diversity of flora and fauna. This geological marvel is a testament to the Earth's dynamic history, offering visitors a glimpse into its ancient past. With my anagomeshi in hand and a sense of adventure in my heart, I was ready to embrace the journey awaiting me at the peak of Mount Misen. As I embarked on my hike, the entrance to Momiji Dani greeted me with its striking vibrant red bridge, an iconic landmark that set the tone for the adventure ahead. At this time of the year, the cherry blossoms were in full bloom, painting the landscape in delicate shades of pink and white, transforming the area into a breathtaking canvas of nature's artistry. The air was filled with laughter and lively conversations as fellow hikers from around the world converged on this enchanting locale, all eager to experience its wonders. Crossing the bridge, I couldn't help but smile at the picturesque scenery surrounding me. However, I quickly realized that this hike would not be a leisurely stroll. The trail wound steeply upwards, flanked by lush, verdant forests that offered not only stunning views but also a rigorous workout for my legs. Every step challenged me, yet the beauty of the surroundings made the effort worthwhile. Along the route, I stumbled upon serene ponds where koi fish glided gracefully through the water, their vibrant colors contrasting against the clear surface, a gentle reminder of nature's tranquil charm. As I continued my ascent, I spotted a shy Japanese deer, or shika, peeking out from behind the trees, its curious eyes observing the hikers pass by. These gentle creatures, a common sight along the trail, added a touch of magic to the experience. The sounds of a small stream nearby, with its water cascading over rocks, further enhanced the enchanting atmosphere of Momiji Dani Park, where streams and waterfalls harmoniously coexisted with the surrounding flora. Taking a brief break on a bench, I allowed the soothing sight and sounds of the cascading waters to rejuvenate my spirit. Surrounded by the vibrant forest alive, with the rustling of leaves and calls of distant birds, I marveled at the beauty enveloping me. Each step brought me closer to the summit, though the climb remained a genuine challenge, pushing my limits and fueling my determination. As I pressed on, I was reminded that this area is designated as a natural monument, preserving the unique ecosystems of Mount Misen. An incredible testament to the importance of conserving such breathtaking landscapes. Glancing back, I could see the ropeway terminal far below, a reminder of the many paths leading to this sacred place. Finally, as I approached a clearing, I was greeted by a stunning panorama. The glistering waters of the Seto Inland Sea stretched out before me, dotted with islands that seemed to float on the horizon. In moments like these, every arduous step of the journey felt profoundly rewarding, filling me with a sense of connection to the beauty of the world around me. Nested amidst the ancient trees of Mount Misen, Reikakudo Temple stands as testament to centuries of devotion and artistry. With its rich history and stunning architectural features, this sacred site draws visitors seeking not only spiritual enlightenment but also a connection to the mystical. At the heart of the temple lies the eternal flame, known as Kiezunohi, which has illuminated the site for over 1,200 years, ignited by the revered Kubo Daishi. This flame symbolizes continuity, healing, and hope, connecting worshippers to a lineage of spiritual reverence that transcends time. The fire's enduring presence serves as a reminder of the temple's role in fostering peace and tranquility, not just for individual souls, but for the broader community. As visitors ascend the rocky stairs leading to the temple, they are welcomed by the serene gaze of Fudo-myo, the deity of fire and wisdom. This fierce guardian embodies strength and resilience, inspiring those who come to seek guidance and support on their spiritual journeys. The countless small statues of Fudo-myo at the temple entrance serve as a protective barrier, watching over the many pilgrims and tourists who visit, each bring their hopes and prayers. Adoring the temple are charming Rakan statues, lovingly dressed in knitted hats, which symbolizes compassion and companionship. Their playful presence adds warmth to the otherwise solemn atmosphere, reminding all who visit that kindness and connection are integral to the human experience. The architectural beauty of Reikakudo is a harmonious fusion of nature and spirituality, reflecting the craftsmanship of ancient Japan. The temple's intricate design and natural materials seamlessly blend into the lush surroundings, creating a sanctuary that feels both timeless and sacred. As visitors light incense at the entrance, the fragrant smoke wafts through the air, infusing the space with a sense of hope and devotion. This ritual is a powerful expression of faith as worshippers seek to communicate their desires and gratitude to the divine. The temple's significance extends beyond its immediate surroundings. The eternal flame serves as the source of the peace flame in Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, forging a poignant connection between the past and present. By embodying the spirit of healing and remembrance, Reikakudo acts as a bridge, linking the ancient traditions of Japan with contemporary aspirations for peace. The large cauldron in Reikakudo Hall, where water is boiled for its reputed medicinal properties, exemplifies the temple's role as a place of healing, where both physical ailments and spiritual burdens can be alleviated. As one wanders through the temple grounds, even the local deer, revered as messengers of the gods, roam freely, their grace adding to the sacred ambience. The Reikakudo Praying Hall stands as a haven for couples, embodying the temple's dedication to love and commitment. Here, countless pairs have pledged their eternal love, reinforcing the temple's significance in personal and emotional realms. The sheer number of Rakan statues scattered throughout the grounds signifies the multitude of souls who have sought solace and guidance within these hallowed walls. In this sacred space, the intricate designs of the temple showcase the artistry of bygone eras, reflecting a deep respect for craftsmanship that continues to inspire awe. Reikakudo is not merely a destination, it is a living testament to the enduring power of faith, love, and the human spirit, inviting all who visit to partake in its rich tapestry of history and spirituality. As I made my way up the rocky staircase leading to the summit, anticipation built within me. Each step brought me closer to a world that offered not just stunning beauty but also a profound sense of peace. Finally, I approached the summit of Mount Misen, a revered mountain that has served as a spiritual sanctuary for countless pilgrims over the centuries. This is a place where the physical and the spiritual intertwine, and the air is thick with the whispers of those who have sought solace here. Upon reaching the observation deck, I was greeted with a breathtaking panorama of the Seto Inland Sea, stretching endlessly before me. The sight was nothing short of an awe-inspiring, a vivid tapestry of blues and greens that seemed to pulse with life. It's a view that has captivated many hearts, leaving an indelible mark on the soul of those fortunate enough to witness it. The sheer beauty of the landscape serves as a reminder of nature's incredible artistry and power, inviting all who stand at this vantage point to pause and reflect on their place within it. As I stood at the summit, I was pleasantly surprised by the presence of friendly Japanese deer who greeted me with gentle curiosity. These creatures, often seen roaming the area, symbolize a deep and harmonious relationship between humanity and nature. In this sacred space, the deer appear as guardians, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living things. Their calm demeanor adds to the tranquility of the summit, reinforcing the idea that this mountain is a haven for both man and beast alike. The rocky summit of Mount Misen is more than just a geological formation, it is a site brimming with energy and significance. Travelers and locals alike are drawn here not only for the visual splendor but for the spiritual essence that permeate the air. This rocky outcrop is believed by many to be a power spot, a place where the Earth's energy is concentrated, providing a source of inspiration and rejuvenation. Locals have long regarded this mountain as sacred, where they can connect with the divine and seek spiritual guidance, making it a vital part of their cultural heritage. As I panned my gaze across the landscape, I marveled at the geological wonders around me. The rugged terrain is a testament to the forces of nature that have shaped this island over millennia, telling stories of geological activity and the relentless passage of time. Each rock and crevice speaks of history, inviting contemplation and respect for the natural world that surrounds us. The contrast between the deep blue of the inland sea and the ruggedness of the mountain creates a mesmerizing scene that beckons one to simply stop and breathe it all in. Before I departed from this enchanting place, I took a moment to capture a selfie with the summit of Mount Misen in the background. Standing there, I felt as though I was on the threshold of adventure and tranquility, a perfect blend of exhilaration and peace. In that fleeting moment, I realized that this mountain is not just a destination, it is a journey into the heart of nature and the spirit within us all. As I reached the summit of Komagabayashi Peak, a sense of accomplishment washed over me. After a rewarding hike, I took a moment to absorb the beauty surrounding me. The view from this vantage point was nothing short of breathtaking. The vibrant orange hues of the giant rock formations cast a warm, inviting glow over the landscape, creating a picturesque setting for my much anticipated lunch. I settled down to enjoy my meal, which consisted of anago meshi, a delicacy of grilled eel served over rice, alongside a comforting cup of seafood ramen and a refreshing milk. The anago meshi was the highlight of my lunch, each bite burst with flavor, serving as a delightful reminder of the island's rich culinary heritage. The combination of the tender eel and the perfectly cooked rice was a match made in heaven, and I savored each mouthful as I gazed out at the sprawling vistas around me. As I took a moment to relish the flavors, the exquisite backdrop of nature made my meal feel even more special. The serenity of the peak and the surrounding beauty transformed the experience into a celebration of not just the food, but the journey that had brought me here. With each bite of anago meshi, I felt a deeper connection to the local culture and traditions that had shaped this dish. To add a personal twist to my meal, I decided to pour a little milk into my seafood ramen. This simple addition elevated the flavor profile, giving the broth a creamy richness that was both comforting and satisfying. The combination of the savory seafood and the smooth, milky texture created a delicious experience that complemented my anago meshi perfectly. Each slurp of the ramen was a joy, and I found myself lost in the moment, enjoying the food as much as the stunning view that surrounded me. This lunch at the peak was not just a meal. It was a harmonious blend of nature, culture, and personal enjoyment, a memory I would cherish long after the hike was over. As I descended through the lush green forest, I couldn't help but reflect on the incredible journey I had just experienced. Each step down the trail was accompanied by a profound sense of exhaustion, yet it was a fatigue overshadowed by an overwhelming feeling of fulfillment. The vibrant energy of the forest enveloped me, and I felt a deep connection to the earth beneath my feet. It was as if each breath I took was infused with the essence of nature itself, reminding me of the beauty that exists in the world. With every descent, I encountered stunning glimpses of nature's artistry, including magnificent magnolia flowers that bloom in pure white. Their petals unfurled like delicate silk, a testament to the life that thrives in the serene environment. As I paused to appreciate their beauty, I was reminded of the intricate details that nature offers, often overlooked in the hustle of daily life. The sight of these flowers was not just a visual delight, It served as a reminder of the resilience and vibrancy of life even in the quietest corners of the world. Continuing my journey, I was enchanted by the delicate cherry blossoms, or Shidare Sakura, that swayed gently in the breeze by the canal. Their ethereal dance felt like a fitting farewell, a soft and graceful goodbye to the magical place that had welcomed me. Each blossom carried the whispers of stories from the past, connecting me to the cultural heritage that surrounded me. The way the petals floated down the river was a poignant reminder of the transient beauty of life, captivating yet fleeting. Walking alongside the sakura trees, I realized that this hike was about much more than the physical challenge it represented. It became a spiritual journey, one that wove together the threads of nature and history. Each step I took was a step deeper into a narrative that transcended time, connecting me to those who had walked this path before me. The trail was not just a route through the forest, it was a pilgrimage that enriched my soul and deepened my appreciation for the world around me. As I encountered various temples along the way, each steeped in tradition and spirituality, I felt a growing sense of reverence. The serene beauty of these sacred spaces, combined with the warmth of interactions with fellow hikers, deepened my appreciation for the sacred mountain. Every friendly nod and shared smile added to the tapestry of my experience, reminding me of the camaraderie that nature fosters along those who seek its solace. Though my legs ached with the effort of the hike, I knew that the memories I had created were worth every step. Mount Misen had captured my heart, leaving an indelible mark on my spirit. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the cherry blossoms, I felt gratitude for the adventures I had embraced. It was a reminder that life is best lived in moments of exploration, discovery, and connection. As I took a moment to breathe in the beauty surrounding me, I realized that this journey was not merely a physical endeavor, but a transformative experience. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Until we meet again, may your own journeys be filled with beauty, discovery, and peace.